The bedroom is a space that needs to be well decorated because we spend a lot of time there even in our dreams. Decorating your bed will make it warmer, which will be particularly helpful to you. And you can enjoy your sleep if you use a decorated bed. If you are looking for a more luxurious bed, you can purchase one by hanging a canopy over the bed. These curtains will solve your problem. It can also make your room beautiful and comfortable. When it comes to awning curtains, there are many options. This makes it very easy to match your curtains in the bedroom with other colors. Whether you have a classic or a more modern style, you can find something you like. You can also buy everything together or buy individually and create your own look. It's no secret that the fabric in the bedroom adds comfort and warmth, making the sleeping area a place to relax and unwind. The blanket on the bed can successfully cope with this task, and if everything is done correctly, the canopy will become only the decoration and main asset of the space, but also a functional interior detail. What are the function of curtains for the bed? The canopy on the bed does not only provide peace and secure, but not only for children but also adults. The dense material of bed canopy prevents excessive light and even noise from entering. Sometimes this type of protection is required in small one-room apartments where different functional areas are in the same room. In addition to the beauty of the curtains on the bed in the bedroom they are built on in the summer, they also protect from mosquitoes. Tool. Ideal for the most romantic bedroom for both couples and young children. Light-emitting light fabric for a comfortable feel without disturbing sleep. Silk. At the same time, it is considered quite light and suitable for decorating beds, shelter from the sun, making drafts and creating a warm and friendly atmosphere. Velvet. They're pretty big, but with prying eyes, the figure and the sun will reliably hide the sleeping person. Thick fabrics are suitable for large rooms of the northern and classic style, perfectly complement stone and metal, making them look warmer and more comfortable. Types of curtain designs. It is impossible to list different of bed canopy. However, there are different types that can be used together depending on the type of crop. A bed canopy on the frame. Wooden or metal posts near the bed that hold the frame in place. Frames can be custom engraved or hammered. In this case, the fabric should not be too luxurious. And vice versa, it is better to decorate the frame with expensive textiles. Hinged crown. Round or square frame in the center of the bed that pulls the fabric towards the ceiling. This style is suitable for large bedrooms. Canopy with handle. Romantic and simple, almost like a small awning. This can be fixed with intruders near the bedside table.